Ekanath had vowed to carry the sacred water of the Ganges river in a jug all the way to the southern part of India, to the shrine of Rameshwaram. He set out on foot from the city of Varanasi on the banks of the Ganges, carrying the jug on his shoulder. His disciples and curious onlookers followed him. Somewhere along the way, the pilgrim came across a donkey that was dying of thirst. Despite the shock and disapproval of his followers, Ekanath poured the water from the Ganges into the donkey's throat. At that very moment, the water of the Ganges flowed from the statue of Vishnu in Rameshwaram.